Smeg oven stopped working in the middle of cooking. No lights on. No electricity tripped on main board.
Hi, can you post the model number please? Regards.
Soup 91 MFX9. Had it installed 5 months and no problems. No electricity to hob ignition either, but gas supply not affected.
Okay, if Therese nothing electrical on there working, then I assume you have checked the switch to the oven and the fuse box to make sure it doesn't tripped out? If that's all okay, then it's either the mains connection block that's burnt or got a bad connection, or a thermal cutout is faulty. As it's only 5 months old, then if the power supply is fine, then you can get Smeg in, as it will be under warranty with them. But if you want to check first for bad connections, then you need to pull the oven out, and there you will see the power cable going to the oven. Remove the back panel, and there you will see the mains connection with the power cable there. Check for loose wires or if it's burned out. If you have a multimeter, you need to check to see if Therese 240V there. If so, then you need to check the thermal cutout, which is located on the back of the oven. Test this for continuity, and if faulty, then it will need to be replaced. So try the above if you can and see what you find. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
Nothing tripped on main board, which is unusual as normally it trips with any faulty appliance. Have contacted Smeg via Appliance City and they will hopefully be in touch. Haven't got a multimeter, so we'll wait to see what Smeg say.
No worries. As long as the switch to the oven is on and the fuse doesn't trip, then it's a fault on the oven. But just wondering, is the oven wired into a plug top that plugs into a wall, or is it hardwired into a switch?
It's hardwired to an oven switch.
Okay, without a multimeter it will be hard to see what the fault is, whether it's the oven itself or the supply to the oven. If you get Smeg out, then I'm sure they will be able to find out straight away what the fault is for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.